We're going to, as you can see, have a quick look at the auto trails. So without further ado, let's go round and have a look. So this is something that's hey, a little bit special, and it certainly is. Wow, we're going to expect something really special on this. I just thought I'd show it, certainly out of my price range forever. The one on display, 131,794. Takes a lot of saying. Let's go and have a look. This should be very special. So I'm not doing much talking because I always prefer the video to do the talking. There we go, shower. Let's go back in here a little bit. The bed, as you see at the bottom, drop down bed, and no, it's okay, we'll let these folks come in, not a problem. And I'll squeeze by. Oops. Okay, no worries. So on this type of van, that's certainly the top of the range. So that is, if you wanted one of these brand new, that's what you're going to be looking at. Well, we're staying on the auto trail stand just for a moment, and this particular one, let's find out. F72, let's find out the actual information about it. Okay, so 4 to 6 berth, and you can carry 2 to 4 people. Length 7.32. And the actual one that's on display here, 75,165. Let's go and have a look. This probably compares with where we've been looking at the Chaussons. Feels nice and spacious on this side. There we go. If I can just zoom out a little bit, we'll move the camera round. Okay, so as we're looking, there's not a permanent fixed bed on this particular one. I would have thought that yes, it is. So just here you have the usual dropped down bed. There we go. Hopefully you can see that. And as you can see on the fridges, they've certainly made them narrower, but much longer. There we go. I'll just move over here a moment.
Thank you.
Not a problem. And so this particular style, yes, obviously you can make this up into a bed. It's not fixed, but hey, so if wanting to make a bed at the back, you could do that. But as I said, you've got that one there. I'm not a massive fan of the mechanical ones that you pulled. I prefer a lot of motorhomes now. They're doing these beds that come down where you literally pull them down. I'm not a massive fan of the ones that where you press a button and it comes down. But anyway, let's have a look. So what do you think? There we go. This is the auto trail, and so far I think the Chaussons, who I'm a big fan of, have took a step backwards. But hey, you're going to get a chance to be able to judge for yourself. Let's go and have a look at a few more bits. Well, have a look. The Auto Trail XL 620S starting at 64,102, and the one on display we're going to have a look at is 69,215. Okay, let's have a little look around here. So we'll just go backwards. It's all right, I've got a couple of people behind me. How are you guys? All right?
Thanks.
No problem. Let me go down here.
Thank you.
No worries.
Cheers. So on this particular one, you'd have to make the bed up yourself because it's a small van, much smaller van. Yeah, but if that's okay. In fact, to be honest, I'd just slit that side and get the partner on the other side. TV. That's where your TV would go. The basic one I wouldn't have thought would come with the actual television, but that's a pretty good spot to have that.
I love my microwave.
I like the way it's all nice and light.
It is, yeah. It's quite halfway.
And it's a bit of a better price than what. And the layout I prefer than what I've seen with the Showsons, and I definitely like that layout. Hopefully you can get an idea. With the shower,
Yeah, me as well.
toilet area. Okay, right. So that shows us what this particular van is like. So that was our quick look at the 620S with the Auto Trail, and for the size, certainly, in my humble opinion, I prefer that more than the what the Showsons have to offer. But I could say what I like because I'm not ruled by anybody. It's Auto Trail. Let's have a look what size we have here. So here we have something in between. You're going to struggle to get your bikes in there, so you definitely need a rack for the back, but you've got the starters there for it, so it's not a problem to be able to get a bike rack on the back there, because don't forget, electric bikes. You can get electric bikes from our good selves with a big discount from Hoogie Bikes. But anyway, that's another story for later on. What have we got? Okay, on the road price is from 68,272. You can see what it says. Up to 74,000. 74,000 is the one that's on display here. Let's go in and have a quick look.
This one's got the right beds, look. On a separate shower.
Now you've got your bracket already there for the TV. Once the TV's on there, be very careful once you pulled it out that you don't go out and knock yourself out as you go out of the door. That's why I'm thinking, what a strange place to put a bracket for the television. That is strange. But now, is this a drop down bed they have here? Yes, they have. As you see, we've seen that style before, and there we go. Little lady here falling asleep. Hi there, you okay? Hi.
We'll just pop her shoes back up.
Let's go through. Fixed bed. Let's move the camera around as best as we can. We'll just open this. So, shower, toilet section, not bad at all. I think Auto Trail are in the lead as far as I'm concerned. Before we move to another stand, because obviously if I filmed every single one, we'd be here forever. So we'll have a quick last look at this one. Excel 675B Let's have a look. The length 6.75 meters, hence that's why it's called a 675B. Is that obvious? Okay, let's go round. So you would yeah, probably, yeah, you'd be able to get a bike in there with the let's have a look. And you could also get the bikes on the back as well. So a little bit of a garage there. So let's pop in, have a look at this. Hi. We'll spin around. And again, this is a Ford. So go to the back. Plenty of cupboard space. There we go. Shower. That's a very hefty size shower, isn't it? It's very difficult. We're on the widest setting we can for the camera, but that's not too bad at all.
Oh, I didn't realise you were filming.
No, don't you worry. You thought I was talking to myself. I probably am just talking to myself and nobody else. 675B, there we go. Very nice indeed. Okay, so Auto Trail, that's what they have on offer. Well, let's we haven't got time to be able to film everything, so we'll go and have a look, see what else